Now, in fact, moving on from Salman Khan, now the Kapoor Khandan definitely seems to be pulling out all stops for the soon-to-be released film Aisha. And our correspondent Nupur Mishra caught up with the Aisha of the film itself in the capital. And what a sing-song mood this Indian version of Emma was in. Maybe it's got to do with the rainy season, which is making everyone want to sing and dance. Take a look at Sonam Kapoor at her Aisha best.
उनकी हेल्प करना चाहती हूँ।
हेल्प होने नहीं, तुम्हें चाहिए।
Bollywood's just got a Cupid who believes there's nothing more beautiful than a match well made.
How perfect.
कुछ जल रहा है।
A meddler, a charmer, but her ultimate goal to turn herself into a Punjabi auntie. Yes, you heard it right.
अनीता नहीं आरती।
Everyone's business is her own business, but why can't Aisha mind her own business? Let me ask this to Sonam. Why can't Aisha mind her own business?
Because nobody knows how to run their lives.
How's she? Wild, charming?
She's wild, charming, beautiful, and she thinks she knows better than everybody else, which she does. She does, for sure. She knows it all. Oh my God, we're doing Sixth Sense now. And at the same time, it's something, she wants to control people's lives. She wants to make something because she's just like bored. And she wants to do something different all the time. And she's got a very short attention span.
Well, Abhay, his character in the film is, he believes that Aisha should mind her own business.
Yeah.
What makes it difficult for Aisha to obey him?
Because at the end of the day, she's a rebellious person, even though she doesn't think she is. And she's a Punjabi auntie deep down inside who wants to be involved in everybody's business. Sorry, other Punjabi aunties, even I'm going to grow up to be one.
So Abhay and Sonam shared a great chemistry in the film, but guess what Abhay had to say? That Sonam is a great kisser.
I think we've got great chemistry because we both like the same things, we work the same way, and we love working hard at movies. It's going to be a huge hit.
We hope the same, Sonam. Till then, you better keep your fingers crossed till the audience join the madness that the movie would bring to them on the 6th of August.
By the way, on the way, हमको मिली है जिंदगी, गाती है, हंसती है, blah blah blah.
उसकी पर्सनल लाइफ में इंटरफेयर करने वाली।
Nupur Mishra, News X, Delhi.
क्योंकि मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ।